Hey everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem over here. So basically, when you try to disable those ugly corners in here using that thing called Windows 11 disable or restore rounded corners. So the thing is, like when you click that, those gonna turn into the default Windows 10 corners. And when you click on it again, it will disable that option and it will get you back to the Windows 11 corners. But what happens when you click it, just like I did right now, it doesn't work. It tells you that you're unable to restore DWM. All right, so this is how to fix it. I will leave that in the description so you can copy and paste. You will need to find that folder over here, all right? So it exists in the location, C Windows System 32. You will need to delete that. I will show you how to do it right now. So you'll go here, this PC, C, what is it again? Windows, right? And then you will go to System 32, System 32, System 32, here is it. And now you will search for that folder, okay? You can search by yourself by just searching like that, but I prefer just copying this and pasting it here, and this will do the job for me. So it did find it. Once you find that folder, of course there is no other folder with the same name. There's this one, but it have a 1 at the end, but we want this one exactly. You will select it and you will delete it, all right? Just delete it, trust me, it will do the job. Now, if I try to fix this, like if I try to launch this again, as you can see, it will just work. Here we are. And now I have the classic sharp corners again, working like a sharp. This was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.